In the heart of Sweetville, where little houses painted in pastel colors lined cozy streets, Vincent and Lee were best friends who shared everything, especially their love for grand adventures. Vincent was a thoughtful boy who liked to imagine what could happen next. Sometimes he worried about what might go wrong. Lee, on the other hand, had a laugh as big as the sky and never feared a splatter of flour or a puddle of adventure. One bright, golden afternoon, sunlight streamed through Grandma's kitchen windows as the boys sat flipping through a very important book, a cookbook filled with delicious, secret recipes. Suddenly, Vincent's finger landed on a picture of the fluffiest white chocolate cookies either of them had ever seen. "Let's make these," Vincent announced, trying hard to sound brave, though his hands shook a little. Lee bounced in excitement, already picturing towers of cookies. "We'll be baking adventurers. What's the first step, Chef Vincent?" Vincent read the instructions carefully. As they measured the flour, Vincent worried. His voice dropped to a whisper. "Lee, what if we make a mess? What if we forget something?" Lee swung an arm around Vincent. "Trying is what matters most. Real bravery is about having a go, even if the cookies turn out a bit wonky." Strengthened by Lee's words, Vincent sprinkled the sugar, poured the creamy butter, and added chunks of white chocolate, each piece looking like a treasure. He started to smile, feeling a little braver with each scoop. Just as they finished mixing, disaster struck. Lee gave the bowl a mighty twirl, but oops! His sleeve caught the edge. White chocolate chunks flew and bounced across the kitchen floor like tumbling snowballs. Vincent froze for a moment. But then Lee snorted with laughter. "Well, it's a cookie avalanche. That's part of the adventure. Let's tidy up, and anyway, we've still got plenty." Mopping and giggling, the boys scooped up the runaway chocolate. Soon, perfect little scoops of dough lined the tray, ready for baking. As the oven glowed and the warm, sweet smell crept around their ankles, Vincent peered in anxiously. "I hope they're good." Together they counted down, 3, 2, 1, ding! Out came cookies with crinkly tops, golden edges, and gooey white chocolate puddles. Lee broke a cookie in half and handed it to Vincent. "The best ones are made with courage, and a little mess." Vincent grinned, his worries crumbling away like cookie crumbs. "I'm glad we were brave together." That afternoon, as crumbs dusted their shirts and laughter filled Grandma's kitchen, Vincent learned something important. Trying new things was sweeter with a friend, and mistakes were just part of the magic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!